There's no shortage of products to help you clean your interior. The hardest part is sorting through all of the options. Now, we don't know if you're running leather or cloth seats, but we do know you've got a dashboard, a steering wheel, and plenty of other hard surfaces for dust and dirt to collect on. So, we set out to find out exactly what product is the best for cleaning your car's interior. To choose from, there are a variety of car interior cleaner spray, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best car interior cleaner spray from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Chemical Guys Inner Clean Interior. Chemical Guys Inner Clean is another all-around good interior car cleaner. It does an excellent job at removing dirt and dust, it's versatile, and it leaves behind a layer of UV protection. But the most noticeable benefit to using this product is the scent. Of all the cleaners, I found it smelled to be the most pleasant by far. The pineapple-ish scent isn't overpowering like some pineapple-shaped air freshener, nor so faint that you can't tell if it's working. You're using a solid cleaning compound, it just happens to smell nice. We don't mean to sound superficial, but all things being equal, it works well and cleans superbly. The scent puts it over the top. This will be the ideal choice for many. Number 2. Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Honestly, Meguiar's almost took the top spot on our list. It smells great, it cleans well, it's priced just right, and it offers UV protection. Something that helps it stand out among the others is that you can buff it with a cotton cloth for a higher shine, or microfiber for more of a matte finish. That level of flexibility helps this product capture more people's attention than many of the others. I should also note that buffing it with the microfiber towel produced a very similar sheen to our list premier product. There was a noticeable difference, and it truly does offer that classy, contemporary matte finish everyone loves these days. Number 3. 303. All-Surface Interior Cleaner. Awarding any product with the title of best value can lead one to infer that the product is cheap, or the lesser of the bunch. That certainly isn't the case for this cleaner from 303. In all honesty, this option cleaned just as well as all of the other cleaners, even better in some cases. Something that really impressed me is that, based on the crude test I performed, this product seemed to repel dust better than any of the others. Another reason I consider this product the best value in our car interior cleaner test is its versatility. It's safe for use on glass, screens, leather, vinyl, or virtually any other surface you find in the typical vehicle. Number 4. Mother's Speed Interior Detailer. There are a few reasons I considered Mother's Speed to be the best of the bunch. Most importantly, it did well in all the tests we threw at it. It had some of the best dust-repelling properties we found, and it's right in the middle of the road in terms of pricing. Something I will note is that Speed did leave behind the second least noticeable layer of protection. Some will say that makes it an inferior product. Others will prefer the cleaner finish. I'd argue that less residue makes it more versatile. Speed is something I'd feel comfortable using on various surfaces throughout the vehicle. If extra protection is necessary, following it with the appropriate protection product is always an option. After all, it's easier to add layers of product than to remove them. Number 5. Chemical Guys Hydro Interior. A new entry from Chemical Guys. This product brings ceramic protection to your car's interior. I couldn't wait to give it a try. In fact, it was the first one I sprayed and I wasn't disappointed. It does an excellent job at cleaning and leaves behind a protective matte finish. It also held up very well when I was attempting to test its dust repellent properties. On top of that, I decided I'd go ahead and see whether or not the ceramic coating offers hydrophobic, water-repelling properties, as it does on exterior paint. It certainly appears that is the case. Number 6. Turtle Wax Mist Interior Detailer. This is the newest product on this list. No doubt it did a great job at cleaning. It's compatible with virtually any interior surface, and the finish left behind is just right. However, what puts this product in a league of its own is the unique Flairosol spray bottle. Flairosol isn't exactly new technology, but it's odd we don't see it more often in this product category. It's ideal for cleaners because it really does provide a level of control over distribution that makes a significant difference in cleaning throughout the vehicle. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.